Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple deco mesh TreeTopper bow, or could also be used for a really big present. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I've folded it in half, and I'm just going to lay this down into my Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I have this 10-inch wide deco mesh, and I'm going to just take it here and twist it, because this deco mesh seems to have a right side and a wrong side. So all I'm going to do is fold it over and twist it. Also, if you're a wreath maker, the Bowdabra is great to take your curls and just have the Bowdabra hold your curls. So we're just going to twist this, and then we're going to fold it back and twist it. And this is a great bow. Also, it makes a great wreath bow, or for a big present, or even a tree topper bow. So we're just going to scrunch everything in, and I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand and just give everything a good push right there. Then I have this red ribbon, and I'm just going to, I think this is the right side, so we're just going to fold and twist, and we're just going to make the same loops. And I just love the mix of the red with the deco mesh. We're just going to twist that and fold it back and forth. And if you haven't, or you're not familiar with the Bowdabra, you can purchase the Bowdabras at www.bowdabra.com. And it also makes a great gift for anybody who might be a little craft challenged. So we're just going to take this, take my wand. The deco mesh wants to push everything out, so we're just going to give it a good push there. Then I have this really pretty plaid, and we're just going to fold it back and forth and just make, again, a fold and twist bow. And because the deco mesh, I am holding my ribbon down a little bit because it does want to push out. So in normal cases, you just can keep making this and the Bowdabra is going to totally hold your ribbon. But I'm cheating here, as you can see, and I'm just using my hand every time I twist to just hold the bow in place. And we'll just put that in there. Then I have this really cute little snowman, and I'm going to actually put the snowman in and bring some of these other picks over here. Then I'm just going to turn my Bowdabra, and I'm going to grab my wire. And as you probably noticed, I folded my wire in half to begin with. The reason I did that is because now I have a slip knot. So I'm just going to pull everything through the slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, so that way when I pull it out, I'm not struggling with it. So we're just going to separate the ends and bring them around to the back, and I'm just going to tie this off and tie it tight. And again, I don't know if you're familiar with our Bowdabra blog, but we have all kinds of projects, usually at least 3 or 4 new projects or videos every single week, which is a lot of videos. And also here on our YouTube channel, if you follow us, we have lots of videos, and you'll be notified every time. I meant if you subscribe, but if you follow us on Facebook, we'll also notify you when we have new videos. So just kind of finish puffing, and now you have this absolutely adorable wreath bow or door bow, or even a bow for a humongous present. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.